आज मैं आदर्श समाज का 26वां भाग आप लोगों के समक्ष प्रस्तुत करता हूँ। पहले मैं अपना प्रवचन अंग्रेजी में दूंगा। इसमें यही कहा गया है कि जो व्यक्ति ईश्वर को भूल जाता है वो स्वयं को भूल जाता है, इसलिए हमें ईश्वर को कभी नहीं भूलना चाहिए। इसका शीर्षक है डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू गॉड। स्वामी दयानंद said to all people, person who does not think that what is my life, he is not man. The man's life is very sacred, but today's man does not understand that what I am. Person who does evils of others, he is not man. The man is a soul who is very sacred. Whose soul is dirty, he is not man. His life is as animal. We should not become as animal. We should not become as animal. We are man. When the child lives in stomach of her mother, in that he prays from God, O my kind God, you are almighty and kind. You do out from stomach of mother. I shall do your worship there. But the man comes here and forget to God. Swami Dayanand said that the man's life does not meet again and again. So you do worship of God because He is Lord of all universe. Person who do worship to He is great man. Who worships of God, he lives happy always. So be run at way of Swami Dayanand and do not forget to God. At last, I am saying in this time, whose life is very sacred, he is man. Whose life is not sacred, he is not man. Whose life is not good, he is not man. At last, I am speaking in हिंदी लैंग्वेज। मैं चर्चा कर रहा था कि वास्तव में मनुष्य का जीवन अत्यंत पवित्र जीवन है। मनुष्य का जीवन, द मैन्स लाइफ इज वेरी सेक्रेट। मनुष्य का जीवन बहुत पवित्र जीवन है, लेकिन मनुष्य समझता नहीं है। बट द मैन डज नॉट understand. Who person understands what is this life, he cannot he cannot do evils of others. Swami Dayanand said to all persons that who person does not run at way of Vedas, his life is in vain. I am telling in this time whose soul is very sacred, he is man. Whose soul is not sacred, he is not man. His life is as animal. I have to not become animal because I am man. I am soul. So do not sin in your life. Who person does evils to others, he is not man. William Shakespeare said to her poetry about to character whose character is not good, he is not man. The wealth is lost, nothing is lost. The wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. If wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost. In it, the poet said about to character whose person's character is not good, he is not man. His life is as animal. So I want to say to all peoples, Swami Dayanand, who said that Ved is voice of God. In the Vedas are mantra. I am saying in this time whose character is not good, he is not man. We should become a good man, so you contact from others samaj, good social, nice social. अंत में मैं यही कहूँगा, मैंने जो कुछ अंग्रेजी में कहा है एक आदर्श समाज के बारे में कि वास्तव में यह सत्य है, जिसका जीवन पवित्र नहीं है, हुज लाइफ इज नॉट गुड, वह मनुष्य नहीं है, ही इज नॉट मैन, वह पशु है, ही इज एनिमल। इसलिए आप लोगों से मेरी प्रार्थना है कि आप लोग वेदों के सिद्धांतों को अपने जीवन में अपनाएं और एक आदर्श मानव बन करके समाज को दिखाएं, क्योंकि आदर्श व्यक्तियों के द्वारा ही समाज का निर्माण संभव है। जो आदर्श समाज को नहीं अपनाता है उसका परिवार आदर्शमय नहीं हो सकता, उसका परिवार आदर्शवान नहीं बन सकता है। इसलिए आप अपने बच्चों को आदर्श बच्चा बनाना चाहते हैं, आदर्श बालक बनाना चाहते हैं, अपने परिवार को आदर्श परिवार बनाना चाहते हैं, तो आप लोग आदर्श समाज के संपर्क में आएं और जैसा कि मैंने सोचा है कि समाज को अच्छा बनाना चाहिए, तब यह संभव है। अंत में यही कहूँगा कि आप लोग अच्छे बनने का प्रयास करें, तभी जो है ये समाज अच्छा बन सकता है। यदि हो